Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. I know I've done this before, but we're going to do another one here. We're going to transfer this old ribbon, these nice metal spools, and we're going to transfer this brand new ribbon onto those spools. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Real quick, let's find me some tools. And we're going to zip this one off real quick. Just empty both these spools any way you want. Get that ribbon off. This is pretty used up ribbon. I just came right off that, so there's a little clip in there usually. And just remove it from the clip. This guy away. So we're going to take this one off. This one does need an eyelet, so we've got to save that eyelet, make sure that stays where it's at. We're going to clip this back onto this one. Doesn't matter which side is up because this spool is one of these real nice ones, got writing on both sides, so it doesn't really matter. So black happens to be right there, so we're going to stick it on this little jig on this rig, on this drill I mean. Jig on the rig. We're going to tighten this up. And that's it. I'm going to zip it on here real quick. And just put that on a little spindle. Make sure it's going the right direction. And just zip it on there. My drill is running out of juice. Should be faster. Right to the end. Disconnect it. Take this off. Reconnect it down here to the spool. And we'll be done. There's a good one. Stick it in there and connect it up like that. Wind her on in. There we go, a fresh ribbon. There we go, these are old. Put that back on the drill. And all you have to do is wipe your fingers off and you'll be all done. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.